is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle rocker is constructed of sturdy powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor.